All right, tonight we have our eye on your money. Florida consistently has some of the highest auto insurance rates in the nation. Car owners here are seeing those premiums rise faster than ever.
But a growing number are now shopping around for insurance. As CBS News Miami's Steve Majiri reports, it's actually paying off.
Johnny Farias has 3 personal cars and 2 work cars for his electrician business. That's a lot of car keys.
The newer Ford pays more money than all the other vehicles.
And it's a lot of insurance policies to juggle. He says when his premiums went up on renewal, he shopped around.
They said they had to do a monthly increase of $1,088. If it went up $100, I'm pretty sure we wouldn't have done anything.
And says he ended up paying much less on the new plan.
My increase here was $1,088.55, and now I actually saved $2,000. So it was worth shopping around. That's a mortgage payment.
And he's in good company. J.D. Power released a study in May that found that 57% of auto insurance customers have shopped for a new policy this year, the highest rate ever recorded by them.
I'm glad to know that I'm not the only one in that same company.
People's financial stability has changed over the last couple of years.
Insurance agent Stephen Marcus says the rising cost of insurance is a common reason why many people start hunting for deals. Data from the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation shows that the top 5 auto insurers' rates increased by an average of around 4% last year and just under 32% the year before. But this year, the state expects the top insurers' rates to drop by about 6.5%. State regulators attribute the drop to legislative reforms that cut down on costly lawsuits. Marcus says in Florida, shopping around could save you money for more reasons than just your driving history and location.
We do charge your insurance rate based upon your financial stability, but every company that you go to has a different formula for how they determine your financial stability.
On top of that, Marcus says there's usually incentives in place so a provider can poach you from your last company.
When I change from company A to company B a lot of times will offer a new customer discount as high as 20%.
Farias says he also saved about $400 on his auto policies for his business cars. He says he likely wouldn't have even known there were better rates out there if it hadn't been for that increase.
Me and my wife decided to shop around because that's not something we can afford anymore.
Marcus says car insurance is usually more expensive in Miami-Dade County compared to Broward County. And he says if you are shopping around, it's best to get several different quotes and to read them carefully because he says some carriers may not have all the same coverages as your current carrier. In Doral, Steve Majiri, CBS News, Miami.